Assalamu alaikum and good morning to everyone. Welcome to math class Darren Academy. Today we will study chapter 13 for 9th class, surface area and volume. In my first class today I would like to explain the whole details of formula and concept of this chapter. So let's start. We have 3D cube shapes. You are seeing in the table. Okay, so let's start. In 9th class mathematics chapter 13, the chapter name is surface area and volume. The first solid shape we keep here cube, in Hindi we call ghan, and the shape is given here. I try to get the shape of cube. Okay, in cube all three sides are always equal, that is A and A. If we will take example of side 7 cm, then in cube all the three sides, that means length, breadth and height, will be 7 cm. So the first of all we will go to formula after few seconds. Okay, so I have 3D shapes. Dear students, I will ask few questions to you. And are you ready? Yes, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so do you know this is cube?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 surfaces.
Yes,
Okay, na? Edge, how many edges? There are 12 edges. Edges means kinara. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 4, 12 edges are total in cube. And there are 8 vertices. Vertices means शीर्ष कोना. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices. Okay, and in cube you are seeing that length, breadth and height all are same. So here we take as A means side, all sides are equal. So I would like to ask with my 8th and 9th students few questions, that can you tell me some shape, okay, which are in cube shape? Anyone please? Do you know any shape or any article, okay,
Yes.
saman that has cube shape? Anyone? Please fast. Give some example. कुछ example बताइए ना जो cube shape का होता है, जल्दी बताओ. एक कलर मैचिंग वाला होता है ना?
Yes.
और बोलो ऐसा क्या देखे आप लोग बताइए. माचिस का बॉक्स एक मिलता है ऐसे, और बोलो एक छोटा चौक वाला बॉक्स भी होता है. ये सर मैं सही बोल रहा हूँ? और कोई एग्जांपल, एक एग्जांपल आप लोग से बोलिए ना प्लीज. कोई एग्जांपल? लूडो का पासा, डाइस ऑफ लूडो.
Yes, sir, dice of
ओके गाइस, है ना, you have already see here written cube, and this is the very good shape, perfect shape of cube, solid cube. Okay, I kept here. So now we will study the formula in cube. The lateral surface area of formula of cube is 4a square. That means when we will solve the question, we have to write 4. Then after we will give the length of side and become square. Okay, then 4a square we will got the answers. And the second formula, that is total surface area of cube, is 6a square. What is the formula of?
6a
6a
square.
square. Okay, whenever I will ask, please speak loudly with me.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and the volume of cube formula is a cube. है ना? What is the volume of formula?
A cube.
A cube. Very good. Okay, so my dear students, did you understood this cube clearly?
Yes, sir.
Any students have any doubts?
No, sir.
No. So for due to time lacking, we will go to head, and the second step is given. Cuboid. In Hindi we call ghana. Okay, and the same things are found in cuboid as cube. Okay, here is same 6 surfaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 surfaces, 12 edges, kinara 12. Okay, and 8 vertices, kona 8. ऊपर 4 नीचे 4. Okay, and here in cuboid length are different, breadth are different, and height are different. So I would like to ask with my dear students 8 and 9, do you give some examples of this shape, any articles or saman, है ना, which are in cuboid shape? Please. Duster, very good.
So
Anyone?
petty.
What? Petty, yes. Cartoon box, yes. Another. Yes. Can you please? This is also cuboid shape, na?
Yes,
Your
sir.
book is cuboid shape.
So eraser.
Right.
Eraser.
Yes, your notebook is cuboid shape.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
October box.
Okay. Now we are keeping here. Okay, now we will go to formula. Please zoom here. Okay, keyboard in Hindi khana. Okay, length and breadth and height are different. The 4 number formula, lateral surface area of cuboid is 2 into speak with me, 2 into L plus B into height. This way we can calculate the lateral surface area of cuboid. Okay, and the another formula, that is fifth formula, in whole in cuboid, the total surface area of cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. And lastly, finally, the third and in wholly the sixth formula of volume of cuboid is L into B into H. Dear student, understood the formula and the concept? If you have any doubts, you can ask me the questions while running the class, between the class. Okay, class के बीच में ही you can ask me doubts. Okay, now we'll go to the third shape, that is cylinder, and we have a very good cylinder shape, wooden solid shape. Okay, this is cylinder, and here we are seeing that it has 3 surface, one surface here upper and one bottom, 3 surface. Okay, and in every formula we are seeing that area and volume. So here before we started cylinder, I would like to clear what is area and what is volume. Listen to me very carefully. Okay, Mr. Ajijul, you also. Okay, area means any shape, how much place is covering is known as area. कोई सामान कितना जगह घेर रहा है उसको एरिया बोलते हैं, ठीक है? Okay, and solid means, okay, to make any article, how much material is used is known as volume. Okay, or if any shape is vacant, khali, if any shape is vacant, then how much air can be filled or any material can be filled in that is known as volume. यानी कि मैं हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन अगर करूं तो वॉल्यूम यानी कि आयतन का क्या मतलब होगा, अगर वो भरा हुआ ऐसे तो उसको बनाने में कितना मटेरियल खर्च हुआ, जैसे ये लकड़ी है, इसको बनाने में जितना लकड़ी खर्च हुआ उसको उसका वॉल्यूम बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं? वॉल्यूम. अगर ये खाली रहता तो इसमें कितना एयर हवा अट सकता. क्या कोई गोलगप्पा वाला ड्रम देखे आप लोग? इसी शेप का रहता कि उसके ड्रम में कितना आटा अट सकता है, या कितना बालू या कितना चीनी या कितना पानी अट सकता, जितना अटेगा उसको हम लोग वॉल्यूम बोलेंगे. अंडरस्टूड? वेरी क्लियर? ओके, नाउ वी विल गो टू द फॉर्मूला. Okay, so the seventh formula, first formula in cylinder or in the whole, in whole we will count as 7 number formula. So curved surface area है ना of cylinder is stick with me 2 pi RH. Okay, and the top 8 formula, total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r into r plus h. And the last formula, that is 9th formula of cylinder, is volume of cylinder. Speak with me, pi r square h. Here we are seeing the shape that radius is length of center to the outer side, most outer side of the boundary. Okay, this is radius and height is the total height down to upper. Understanding everyone? So recently we had completed the cylinder, so we will go to the next step, that is, speak me, what is the next step? Cone. The next step is so here you are seeing that cone. Okay, in our day-to-day life we see many things, many articles just like the shape of cone. Okay, here cone, here I will going to explain that in cone there are 2 surface. One is here you are seeing that one surface, and here is 2 surface. Only 2 surface are found in cone. Okay, and the edge means kinara. How much? Only one edge found in cone. Okay, only one edge. And how many vertices? It is cona, vertices. Okay, only one vertices is found in cone. Understanding that? So we will go to formula. Before going to start the formula, I would like to ask, please tell me in our day-to-day life some article, something, some saman, okay, which are in just like cone shape. Please, anyone? One birthday cake, very good. Cornetto ice cream, very good. Anyone other shape? Cookie of मिट्टी तेल का जो कुप्पी डाला है राइट ना,
Yes, sir.
एंड कभी कभी कोई बालू डालता है ऊपर में, तो जब जमा होती है तो बनता है इसे बालू का ढेर.
Yes, sir.
ओके नाउ, ओके इफ यू अंडरस्टूड देन आई एम कीपिंग हियर एंड नाउ वी विल गो टू द फॉर्मूला इन कॉन. ओके तो हियर in the diagram we are seeing, please zoom, Mr. Tanvi sir, zoom. Here it is radius from the center to the outer side is radius, and it is the that is salant height is known as L, and the when it perpendicular become 90 degree is hypotenuse, sorry height. Okay, and the we will talking about the formula, the first formula, and in the holy formula number 10 in cone, curved surface area of cone. See with me, pi r L. The 11 formula of the whole total surface area of cone. Okay, pi r into L plus r. Students, sit down here. It doesn't matter. I am giving you permission. Please sit down. Okay, Ahmad Raja, please you also sit down. And the third formula is cone, that is volume. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. And here is salant height L. Okay, in solving the question, while or during solving the question, we many times we get we have to calculate the L. So first of all we should know the formula. Okay, how to calculate L? So formula of calculating L, full form of L is salant height. In Hindi we call it त्रियक ऊंचाई. Okay, so L is formula of L is under root r square plus h square. Okay, so recently we will completed our the fourth step, that is cone. We will go to the fifth step here. Okay, in sphere there is no darwaja khidki. Okay, in sphere there is no darwaja khidki, so it has only surface area, total surface area. It has never curved surface area. Okay, and curved surface area means what? When there is the curving line, that means जो टेढ़ा लाइन होगा उसमें कर्व सरफेस एरिया बोलते हैं. ठीक है, क्या बोलते हैं? कर्व सरफेस एरिया. ठीक है, और जिसमें सीधा लाइन होगा, है ना, ये सब में टेढ़ा नहीं, सीधा लाइन, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? लेटरल बोलेंगे. और एक बात है कि जब हम लोग जब लेटरल बोलते हैं तो कुछ ना कुछ छोड़ना पड़ता है. यानी कि इसमें क्या होता है कि हम लोग 4 वॉल दे देंगे, ऊपर का ये टॉप और नीचे का बॉटम को छोड़ देने से लेटरल होता, और ऊपर और नीचे सब ले लेने से टोटल होता. उसी तरह इसमें जैसे इसको अगर छोड़ देते हैं तो ये क्या था? कर्व सरफेस एरिया होता. कौन में क्या होता? कर्व होता. और ये पूरा को लेने के बाद अगर इसको भी ले लेते हैं, इसके एरिया को, तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? टोटल सरफेस एरिया बोलते हैं. Okay, to continue for the fifth step, we will go to the shape of sphere. In sphere there is no khidki, no darwaja. Okay, so it has only total surface area. There is no curved surface or lateral surface area, and volume is, है ना, obviously, है ना, every solid surface volume. Okay, it has also volume. Okay, so this is sphere. Okay, here it is sphere. Okay, and we are seeing in this diagram that a center from the outer side of the circumference is known as radius. Okay, students, so please, cameraman, now I will give one by one students. Okay, you have to pass me again. I passes to all the students, and please catch. Okay, catch. Yes, fast, come on, fast. Now it's Ajijul. Yes. Ahmad Raja. Yes. Now Abdullah. Yes. Please. Camera को उठाओ, धर्मी कुमार. Yes. Okay. Very good. चलिए, मेरे पास बॉल आ गई है. ठीक है. Thank you, cameraman. और मैं now again I would like to ask some question. Please tell me few things, article which are in sphere shape, gola shape. Please.
Sir, ये ball.
Football, very good. Tennis ball, very good.
So stamper ball.
What? Stamper ball. बॉल को छोड़ के एनीथिंग. और कुछ बोलिए. मार्बल, कंचा, जो गोली खेलता है. यस. और कुछ बोला और कुछ. ओके, चलो एंड करते हैं. चलिए. ओके, नाउ वी विल गो टू द फॉर्मूला. द टोटल सरफेस और एरिया ऑफ स्फीयर. ओके, So total surface area of sphere is 4 pi
Four pi
r square.
R square.
And volume of sphere is
And volume
4 by 3
4 by 3
pi r cube.
pi r cube.
Now
Now
we will go to hemisphere. But from where I ordered online this. I think the salesman was some Bokai shop. Okay, salesman को कुछ Bokai shop था जिसने हेमिस्फीयर देना भूल गया. ओके, चलो इसको माइंड नहीं करते हुए क्लासेस को आगे बढ़ाते हैं. ओके, तो हम लोग के पास क्या था, हेमिस्फीयर नहीं है. तो लेकिन हम लोग डायग्राम से समझ सकते हैं कि इसका जस्ट हाफ कर देंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा. इसको अगर हम लोग हाफ कर दें, एकदम हाफ कर दें तो क्या बन जाएगा, हेमिस्फीयर बन जाएगा. ठीक है, हेमिस्फीयर में हम लोग छोड़ने का और पकड़ने का रहेगा, इसलिए कब और टोटल होता है. तो बोलिएगा हेमिस्फीयर में है ना, यहाँ से यहाँ तक और ये कब सरफेस एरिया ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर है ना. स्पीक विद मी. 2 pi r square. टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ
Total surface area of
हेमिस्फीयर
hemisphere
3 pi r square. And the last formula of hemisphere is volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. And the finally we will come to the last shape, that is circle. Okay, here all are seeing circle है ना.
Yes, sir.
The definition of circle is any round shape made in flat plane area is known as सर्कल. यानी कि कोई फ्लैट जगह पर गोल बना रहता आकृति, उसको बोलते हैं. याद रखिएगा. अच्छा देखिए 3D, ये 2D शेप होता है, याद रखिएगा. और ये सारा क्या 3D, जिसमें हाइट होती है वो 3D शेप होता है. ये सर्कल क्या है, 2D शेप. मैंने 3D शेप में ना पानी दूध अट जाएगा. हम लोग क्या होगा, पानी दूध कुछ रखेंगे तो अट जाएगा अगर वो खाली रहे. 2D शेप में कभी भी अटेगा नहीं, उसको हाइट क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा तभी अटेगा. तो देखिए सर्कल, तो सर्कल में देखिए the distance from center to the outer side, that is circumference, is known as radius. Okay, and the speak with me. Formula of circumference of circle. हिंदी में इसको परिधि बोलते हैं. is 2 pi r. And the area of the circle is pi r square. Okay, so we are in finishing time in our YouTube video or Insta or Facebook video. Okay, so finally हम लोग इस है ना, here whatever terms used, I would like to explain the terms, full form of the terms. Okay, here somewhere we used a means side. Everyone speak with me. A means side. In Hindi bhuja. L for length. L for Hindi
लंबाई.
B for Hindi
चौड़ाई.
H for Hindi R for Hindi. और this symbol is known as pi. जब तक कुछ ना बोला जाए, where there is nothing told in the question, till that time we have to take 22/7 as the value of pi. Understanding everyone?
Yes, sir.
And if in the bracket given in the question 3.1, then we will use 3.14 to solve that specific question. Understanding everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and फाइनली इस तरह हमारा आज का एंडिंग क्लास हो गया. अभी रोकिएगा नहीं वीडियो को प्लीज, है ना. तो देखिए मैंने दा एंड लिया, थोड़ा सा स्माइली हो गया. इसी के साथ है ना वीडियो को आखिरी मोड़ पर लाया जा रहा. अगर आप लोगों को ये वीडियो जरा सा भी पसंद आए, मैं मुबारक सर एक दारिन एकेडमी का और छोटा मोटा मेरा एक मक्सा एजुकेशन भी है. तो इसको अगर हौसला अफजाई के लिए अगर आपको लगे कि मैंने मेहनत किया तो एक लाइक और एक कमेंट जरूर करिएगा. तहे दिल से आपका आभार, शुक्रिया, आदाब, और अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा. थैंक यू एंड अस्सलाम वालेकुम.